Viewbite.
Hidden beneath the surface of ordinary objects lies a secret gallery of astonishing beauty waiting to be revealed. When everyday materials face extreme pressure, heat, or force, they don't just break, they transform into breathtaking natural masterpieces. This phenomenon shows how universal patterns connect shattered glass to ancient canyons and frozen metals to distant planets. Consider humble glass under stress. As tension builds, intricate fracture networks spread like lightning captured in ice. These delicate veins form geometric constellations more complex than any human design. Similarly, molten metals abruptly cooled bloom into alien crystal forests. Their branching structures resemble frozen fireworks or celestial coral reefs. Nature amplifies this artistry on a grand scale. Volcanic lava meeting ocean water instantly sculpts itself into hexagonal tilework. Sediment layers compressed over millennia shear into rhythmic wave patterns, like stone recording the Earth's heartbeat. Even industrial materials join this dance. Polymers warped by heat morph into iridescent bubbles resembling living cells. Destruction becomes creation in unexpected ways. Concrete dust settling after impact forms mineral snowflakes unique to each fracture. Shattered smartphone glass creates obsidian-like shards with edges sharper than diamonds. Oxidizing copper surfaces erupt in electric blue fractal blooms, growing like crystalline flora. The true wonder emerges when comparing scales. Stress patterns in crumpled aluminum foil mirror how canyons erode over eons. Ice shattering under sonic vibrations duplicates the jewel-like facets of glaciers calving into polar seas. These echoes across dimensions prove beauty isn't added, it's unlocked when forces reshape matter. Thermal imaging reveals hidden dramas in heated plastics. As temperatures soar, polymers twist into glowing mandalas of stress. Each warped curve tells a story of molecular rebellion against the heat. Even simple ice cubes subjected to sound waves explode into starburst fractures. Their broken facets catch light like scattered diamonds. Geological forces create slow-motion versions of these transformations. Subterranean pressure cooks minerals into swirling marble galaxies. Underground water deposits microscopic laceworks of calcite over centuries. These natural archives preserve stress patterns identical to cracked pavement after winter frost. This hidden aesthetic language surrounds us constantly. In a cooling coffee mug's crackle, a sidewalk's frost heave, or a bent paperclip's fatigue lines, materials express stress through universal visual poetry, where tension writes in crystalline stanzas and fracture composes symphonies in texture. What appears chaotic is actually nature's precise artistry, revealed when ordinary things reach their extraordinary limits. Next time you see cracked concrete or frosty glass, remember you're witnessing the same beautiful physics that carves mountains and forges stars. Destruction isn't an end, but a metamorphosis into unexpected wonder.
Viewbite. Quick clips, big ideas. Subscribe and spark your next thought.